Thanks, Bob. Late last night, tornadoes swirled around the Lone Star State. In Kurten, two homeowners, Paul and Melinda Jenkins, say they're counting their blessings and are lucky to be alive. KX's Sarah Wilson has more.
Just amazed and very thankful.
Late Monday night, tornadoes swirled around the Lone Star State, causing damage in Kurten and Madisonville, knocking the power out for several homes. Melinda and Paul Jenkins had a front row seat. This tree, along with several others around the Jenkins home, was uprooted right from the ground. And the Jenkins tell me they were right in their living room when they heard it.
We were watching TV till just a couple of minutes before it hit.
That's when she started seeing furniture on their porch fly by and wind stirring the dirt up. That's when Melinda says she knew and told her husband.
Well, that's when I said to him, I think it's a tornado. We need to do something. And so we got up to walk to the bedroom closet, and that's when it hit.
When heading to the closet, the tornado's strength knocked them down. No injuries, just soreness, she says, but grateful it wasn't worse.
The side is just really not that bad at all. We're just amazed and very thankful. It mainly just threw things out of cabinets, and I mean, there's not even a broken window.
Just creaked floorboards, walls, uprooted trees, and their entire home shifted. It only lasted for about 2 minutes, she says.
This was just so quick and gone just as quick as it hit.
The barn they were headed to also had the roof torn off of it. The Jenkins say they are happy they made that split decision not to go.
We're glad we didn't walk out that door to go down there, because all of that would have fallen on us. We're just thankful.
Sarah Wilson, KX News.